Hey. Hi, this is your Sanjukta aka Alutiki and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so guys, जब मैं ये वीडियो oh my god तुम लोग hi to everyone watching this in India and now most of you watching and who knows me and are out of India. Hi guys, these are my warm wishes from Oxford. Yes, I ओ गॉड सो मैनी न्यूज़ टू शेयर एंड एवरीथिंग गोइंग ऑन. तो ये बहुत ही टॉकिंग वीडियो होने वाला है बिकॉज मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं यूट्यूब पे वापस आ रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट बैक ऑन यूट्यूब and this will be my first video which I am shooting. So I'm super excited and ये है मेरा accommodation. What am I doing? Where am I? I know a lot of questions के answers आप लोग को देखने हैं. Most of you guys know from my Instagram, whoever follows me there, I have moved to another country which is United Kingdom. Yes, I am not in India. At least for a year I won't be there. And when I share this with you guys, it just feels very unreal. I know I'm keeping this video in English because I am making new friends who are not Hindi and I want कि वो लोग they also have enjoy. Of course, I'll make Hindi and English mix, but mostly English I'll keep the first language for my vlogs so that everyone can enjoy and whoever is this, my new friends watching this vlog might enjoy as well. Okay, so basically I am this happened in last year. Let me take you back to 2023. So 2023 I decided that I want to do my masters different. I don't want to do it here. Okay, so like basically I did my post graduation. Whoever has been following, you know guys know ISM video, please check. यहाँ पे होगा link कहीं तो. If not, you guys please check on my channel. You must know that मैं ISM में post graduation की. I did job for 2 years. एक budding influencers में मैं 1 year के लिए थी. फिर मैं Backward Entertainment में 1.4 months के लिए थी, 1.4 years के लिए थी. सो बेसिकली मैंने अच्छा खासा 2.5 years का एक्सपीरियंस जब मैंने कलेक्ट किया, आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई रिक्वायर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. आई एम स्टिल लैकिंग एंड फॉर दैट आई वॉन्टेड, क्योंकि इंडिया में तो मैंने पोस्ट ग्रेड कर लिया था, तो नाउ आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग दैट विल हेल्प मी आउट. एंड वाइल लुकिंग फॉर, वाइल फिगरिंग आउट एंड एवरीथिंग, देन आई गॉट टू नो दैट this is like I have to move country. I want to move for my further studies. I want to like know how internationally marketing works. So that is the whole thing, and hence I thought ki let's do this. So that is the reason what I did was मैंने सबसे पहले तो अब मैंने मेरा रिसर्च स्टार्ट किया. सिंस यू गाइज नो माई बोथ फ्रेंड्स आर इन UK नाउ, Rasika and Surbi, so that really helped me out to figure out. And then when I looked for the MSc and everything, I just realized कि like what course I have to go. It was really like I had a blank canvas. Like I knew I want to do marketing, I want to do influencer marketing, but to be honest influencer marketing बहुत छोटा niche है. शायद मैं अभी जब बात कर रही हूँ आधे लोग को पता भी नहीं influencer marketing होता क्या है. So that's how niche it is, and it will take of course their time to people to know, and it will take थोड़ा ज़्यादा time comparatively. So that is the reason what to do, which marketing to do. plain करना है, luxury है, digital है, बहुत सारे options available है basically बाहर. So then I met IDP. So basically I was a referral. Basically Surbi referred me, like she gave me this counselor's number which is Chitra Shende from IDP. This is not like a sponsored video, but I genuinely want to share whatever my experience was, ताकि whoever is planning to move country, whoever is at least considering United Kingdom, I can help you out. तो थाने IDP is basically, you can say, a organization which helps people to study abroad. They're free of cost, at least they don't charge from students. So basically they help you out right from which course to go for, what to do. Literally you just have to speak to them and give them idea. They will let you know about the expenses. They will let you know कितना खर्चा आएगा, कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. उनके कुछ बैंक्स के साथ टाई अप्स एंड लोन्स का प्रोसेस भी है. तो बेसिकली यू हैव अ गाइडेंस थ्रू आउट. सी आई नो यू गाइज मस्ट हैव friends, but तुम्हारे जो friends यार उनको भी उनकी personal life and they are also busy if they have moved to another country. You will bombard them with your questions. So it will be like a lot to them also. They will help of course, but वो लोग भी कितना ही करेंगे, they also have their life to sort, right? So that's the reason there are professionals, and IDP is one of them, जो थाने का branch है इसका. If you are from Thane watching this video, उनका थाने स्टेशन के पास में बी केबिन में उनका बड़ा ऑफिस है. So वहाँ जाके I met चित्रा, and then फिर like it was very easy. I told her, see, I want to do influencer marketing, and she said, unfortunately there are no such courses, but you might find a module. Basically module मतलब एक subject होता है, like every course में there are 6 to 7 modules, or 6 months like minimum, or max like 6 तो होते ही है, and that modules you learn. So basically she said you might find modules of influencer marketing. So that is the reason in all the UK, and basically I have been like, since I am from a middle class family, मुझे हमेशा एक बजट पे ही चीज़ें करनी थी. तो मेरा एक बजट था कि मुझे ये बजट में ही कोर्स मेरे को लेना है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट. अब पहले इतना फैमिली पे मतलब ऑफकोर्स दे आर नॉट सेइंग, बट इट इज़ नहीं बोल के भी खर्चा फ्रॉम जहाँ पे तुम्हारा 110 इज़ लाइक ₹1 110, मतलब लिटरली इतना ज़्यादा महंगा ये पूरा कंट्री है. तो कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन माइंड, सो आई डिसाइडेड फॉर सच. और फिर मैंने थोड़े से शॉर्ट लिस्ट किए, बट देन आई फाउंड ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्रूक्स यूनिवर्सिटी. आई वर्क लाइक आई स्टडी राइट नाउ, एंड आई जस्ट गॉट माई स्टूडेंट ID card, and which is such an amazing thing. This is like now I can call myself a student again. तो बेसिकली द थिंग इज कि ये क्या, तो आई वॉज सेइंग कि जब मैंने डिसाइड किया तब मुझे मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशंस मैनेजमेंट में जाना था, बिकॉज उसमें कंटेंट मार्केटिंग का नाम का एक मॉड्यूल था, ओके, विच आई रियली वांटेड टू डू. बट फिर मैंने उसका डिपॉजिट सब भरा था. आई वॉज रियली प्रेटी अर्ली. मेरा लास्ट सितंबर में मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया, मेरे पास नवंबर तक ऑफर लेटर था. दिस इज 2023 आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. आई हैड एवरीथिंग प्लान कि सितंबर के लिए ऑफर लेटर है. फिर मैंने जाके अराउंड जैन या फेब्रुवरी में मैंने, या मार्च में भी, मार्च, हाँ शायद मार्च में मैंने उसका £3,000 का डिपॉजिट भी भर दिया. एवरीथिंग वॉज सॉर्टेड, बट देन अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट नो व्हाट द रीजन was, but they discontinued the course. But they told me that whichever course you want to shift to, you can do it. Now it was like a shock for me कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, like how I will be able to survive now, because I to made my plan that I'm going to Brooks, and even my best friend is in the same university, so it was a very comfort thing. But then when I researched on everything, I just got to know that the course that Surbi is doing is, and my course only had one module different, so it was like 95% same, but 5% different. So then I thought कि maybe I should consider that, and even I was looking for another universities and all and everything. But one thing I was really sure about was I want something near to London, okay? And comparatively other courses were there, but I have already done post graduation, so I know what basic marketing is. I want to do something like specialization types, and I want to go towards brand side. I want to do influencer marketing. So for me, marketing and brand management was like a perfect fit. And then later when I got to know that she also has content marketing as a module. So that is the reason I then shifted it, and I was really scared that hoga nahi hoga, because of course there might be, because one whole course module got shut. That's the reason there might be wahan ke course wale bhi, they want to shift to another course, and what if there might be a lot of people want to go for the same course that I am going. But luckily I got into MSc in marketing and brand management, and I also got 2,000 scholarship. So my tuition fees is £17,650 after discount, like after student discount. I was, since I was an early bird, I got £2,000 scholarship, so it is 15,650. This is तो हुआ पढ़ाई का, okay? So then I also wanted to, like, I did one more mistake, okay? So one thing I was sure that, like, I want to go for university accommodation, because this is the first time I'm traveling international, first time I'm living without my family. I have never gone out, at least like maximum I went out must be for a week or something, where you go for the trips and all. Bus baaki I've never stayed itna long, and this is like a year course, okay? And then I'm planning to stay even more. Let's see, Ganpati Bappa Moria, if everything goes really well, let's see, we'll manifest from today only. So that all things were also that I need to consider, and everything around that. So then what I did was I looked for accommodations, okay, and then I was like, university accommodation I want to go. Now since the thing is that one issue that you might face is like ensuite is basically you get your room and washrooms in private, and there are sharings also, there are double occupancy, triple occupancy, it's apparently on you, there are dorm systems also. But for me, since here everybody is from different nationalities, I didn't want to share washroom because of intimate hygiene, and I don't want to, because यहाँ पे एक तो health care problem, like NHS is, even if NHS is a health care is not that great comparatively. So even if like basically यहाँ पे 1 month तो आपका appointment लेने को ही लग जाता है, तो it just takes lot of time for you to feel. तो what if I get any infection or something around that, and how will I be able to manage? And it is very hard if you get sick in some other country when there is no one to take care of course. I do have friends, but they also have their lives, right? So that's the reason I was like, it's okay, I will go for ensuite. It will be easier for me, and that is the reason why I didn't went to higher expensive kind of like universities, because उसमें फिर वो भी फिर उसमें रहने का भी, तो it just become a too much of effort, like कुछ ज़्यादा ये हो जाता है, हाँ like बहुत फाइनेंशियली बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, इट्स टू मच, ओके. सो उसके बाद देन आई वेंट एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक दिस इज, सो बेसिकली नाउ माई यूनिवर्सिटी इज लाइक अ प्रॉपर लाइक अ कंट्री साइड, लाइक you have to walk, literally you have to walk for anything and everything. Of course buses are there, but buses also till one moment, and uske baad you have to walk. So my university accommodation, since Surabhi was there, she really helped me. Guys, I have never felt so lucky. Like I am so like when मैंने ब्लॉग ज़्यादा किया नहीं, बट मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स छोड़ने आए थे, फिर मुझे फेयरवेल मिले हैं, मेरे लिए इतनी सारी चीज़ें मेरे दोस्तों ने की गई है कि दैट आई जस्ट फील वेरी लकी दैट आई हैव गॉट सच गुड फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई विल रियली चेरिश देम एंड रिस्पेक्ट देम एंड बी काइंड टू देम ऑल माई लाइफ, बिकॉज they have literally helped me like anything, right from the day I land into like UK. उसके बाद London we went to Rasika's apartment, the whole day we had spent together. Then वो लोग ने मुझे लंदन घुमाए, फिर next day I and Survi came to the university, and oh my god, we literally have each other's back, and I might get emotional when I talk about this. And literally right from my parents, फिर उसके बाद friends, I am just very blessed that I've got such amazing friends indeed. You guys can see थोड़ा सा आंखें भर गई है मेरी, emotional तो मैं हूँ बहुत बड़ी. So yeah, that's how it was. And फिर उसके बाद what happened was then accommodation, then I went for Clybourne, which is like nearest. That's what I was trying to say. So Surabhi is in the nearest, like Hamara is like the easiest way to get to the university. Rest accommodations are a little far, you have to take a bus, and second or third stop is it, तो थोड़ा like it's दूर. बाकी R is like really near to the university, so that perk was also there. So that's the reason I went. Right now mine is 38 weeks contract, which is 9 months. I will see later if I want to continue staying here, because it's little expensive as I mentioned, because 192 pounds per week है यहाँ पे मेरा खुद का accommodation, this which I am living right now. I will give a room tour later, we'll clean together as well in some other vlog, and then I'll give a nice room tour. I want to show every small detail to you guys as well. So then 192 pounds का basically होगा पूरा, लाइक था तो इट इज़ लाइक काइंड ऑफ, नहीं बोल के भी एक्सपेंसिव तो है ही. तो दैट्स द रीजन आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है फाइन, तो अभी के लिए 9 months ले. उसके बाद इफ आई थिंक कि नहीं दिस इज द बेस्ट एंड वांट टू, बिकॉज मेरा सितंबर तक कोर्स है, सो देन आई विल स्पीक एंड आई कैन एक्सटेंड द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. एंड यू स्टिल नीड टू स्पीक टू द पर्सन लाइक द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट सेंटर ऑफिसर्स, एंड then I'll see what best suits for me, and that time I'll take a decision. So yeah, this is the whole thing right now. It's just 3 to 4 days I am in India. I'm in India, I'm saying. My heart is still in India. I am in UK. And it just feels different, guys. Like मतलब वो वैसे हिट नहीं हो रहा है कि ओ माई गॉड आई एम इन समर, बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ, राइट फ्रॉम ग्रोसरी, लाइक लिटरली इतनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें विच आर मॉम्स एंड पेरेंट्स. लाइक मेरे तो घर पे सब इक्वल काम करते हैं मेरे को छोड़ के. आई वॉज द पैम्पर्ड वन, मैं कुछ काम नहीं करती थी, बाकी तीनों करते थे. तो फॉर मी तो इट जस्ट फील्स लाइक ओ माई गॉड, देयर सो मेनी स्मॉल थिंग्स यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ, यू हैव टू लुक फॉर it's just like crazy thing, but you figure it out, you just learn new things, and that's the reason, that's the best thing of moving in a different country. ये हो रहा है वेदर यहाँ का, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वेदर. वेदर अभी यहाँ पे 14 डिग्री हो रहा है, ड्राई क्लाइमेट, सो आई एम कीपिंग यूजिंग मॉइस्चराइजर्स अ लॉट एंड लिपस्टिक्स एंड लिप, बार बार वैसलिन लगा रही हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग माई सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड. बस थोड़ा सा खांसी हो रहा है मुझे, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ वार्म वाटर. सो या विद टाइम आई एम श्योर कि वो भी क्लियर हो जाएगा मेरा. So that's another update. So overall I'm just enjoying a lot right now. I just wanted to do a live update कि मैं अच्छे से land हो चुकी हूँ. Whoever has seen my story and is excited and want to know, this is what it is. Room tour will be a different video because I want to keep it separate. Room tour will be a different video. Then there will be my lectures are starting from 23rd September. अभी मेरा induction चालू है, तो induction को ज़्यादा vlog वॉग नहीं किया. So I am going to make little small videos every now and then. So I really would love if you guys stay tuned and help me in this new journey of mine as well. ये actually एक line है जो ईशा शेट्टी इज अ यूट्यूबर, वो अपने चैनल में बहुत बोलती है, बट आज मुझे भी बोलने का बहुत मन किया because it's just fun. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, कुछ separate video बताना है, कैसे किया, क्या किया, बैंक लोन कैसे, whatever it is, let me know. I will help you out. कैसे मतलब how did I choose this only particular, कैसे मेरे को पूरी IDP ने help किया, what are the breakdowns of the process, या फिर you want a proper video like how to apply, जो भी हो प्लीज़ मुझे बताओ. I am free. I have moved to this country and the two things I really want to focus is one, studies, and second is content creation. I really want to be a very informative YouTuber. I don't know about subscribers, but मेरा वीडियो देख के हर किसी को हमेशा बस हेल्प ही हो, यही मेरा मोटिव रहेगा. सो या दिस वाज इट फॉर टुडेस वीडियो. आई होप you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next time. Until then, bye. I love you guys so much and please pray for me, pray for my good health, pray for I get a job quickly. And मतलब quickly तो नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे बहुत struggle है, but still however it is, just very excited. And pray for my parents also because even if they don't show me, I know that they are त्यांचा असा लाईक इफ इन मराठी आय हॅव टू से त्यांचा काळजाचा तुकडा आहे का दुसऱ्या कंट्रीत मूव्ह झाला, तो दे आर व्हेरी इमोशनल अँड दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू होल्ड देमसेल्व्स टुगेदर. सो प्लीज हेल्प देम एज वेल, मतलब उनके लिए प्रे करना. ओके गाइस, बाय. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग सून ओनली. Until then, bye. I love ya.